Before you make bookings for the consultation evening, you will need your EduLink1 username and password. Please note you can't use your student's login to make an appointment. If you're unsure of this login, please email web@nsg.northants.sch.uk. Please visit nsg.edulink1.com or the mobile app EduLink1. Log in with your parent username and password that you have been provided. Once logged in, you will see a menu. If you have multiple students at the school, you will need to make sure that you have selected the correct student for the event by selecting them at the top. Find Consultation in the menu and select it. You will see the name of the consultation evening along with a brief description and when it is being held. Click on the name to enter the event. You will be presented with a grid where you can view available slots for each teacher. Click on a space to make a booking. You can add a comment to the slot. This information will be viewable to the teacher before the event starts. Click on Book. If you need to cancel a booking, you can click the Booked button and then click Unbook. Once you have selected all the teachers you want to see, you have then completed the booking form and can close the tab.